Hey guys, in this video I am going to tell you about the QQS rating and the QQS formula. If you want to have a perfect salesmanship of your service, you should watch this video till end. I am going to tell you this from a very famous book, Think and Grow Rich. So let's start without any delay. So QQS formula is very important for your salesmanship of service. You have to study the causes of success in marketing your services in order to being able for your marketing successful. In marketing, three important things are there, and that is quality, quantity and spirit of harmony. The QQS formula may be considered as quality plus quantity plus spirit of harmony equals to the perfect salesmanship of service. Now let's analyze each of these individual constituents. So what does the quality means? The quality means you have to analyze every detail of your service and have to give its best performance with a purpose that you are having to increase your efficiency, and at the present you are giving your service according to your maximum efficiency at present. Now comes the quantity. What's about that? You have to give and have to make a habit to give the service as maximum as you are efficient for, and you have to always keep a purpose in your mind that you have to achieve a greater efficiency, because greater skill comes after having practicing and experience only. Again, here the emphasis is given to the word habit, because unless you will not make a habit, you can't increase your quantity of service, because you have to give that work your persistent effort to let that work increase in the amount. You can see my example that I'm daily uploading the videos. So in that work I have to read the book and I have to read that chapter again so that I can explain you. So I am using here the Everline persistence to increase my amount of service with my greatest efficiency right now. So that was an example. So for quantity, you need to make a habit. After that comes the spirit of harmony. So you have to be an agreeable conduct and make a harmonious conduct with the customers in order to gain the loyal customers, that is to gain the permanent market. And for being perfect salesmanship of service, you need to give attention to these things, these three things, that is the permanent market, the pleasant conditions and the satisfaction with the price for both the customers and the seller. So these three factors will determine whether your service is in its perfect salesmanship or not. So for the spirit of harmony, I would like to say that this is the most important quality as compared to the other two, that is quality and quantity. If you are maintaining a spirit of harmony, then you can make up the deficiencies in the quality and quantity. But nothing can be substituted for a pleasing conduct. You have to be in a pleasing and agreeable conduct with the customers. Andrew Carnegie also has stressed this point above all the factors of marketing the services. He used to say that I will not retain a man who will not in harmony with my standards. And he also proved that by taking those persons who conformed to his standards, and other persons would have to make room for those type of persons. So now you can think of the importance of this spirit of harmonies in your salesmanship of service. Also, you should have a pleasing personality because that enables one to give the service in a spirit of harmony. It will take you to be in a spirit of harmony to involve your customers for using your services for a longer time and also in greater quantity. If you want to increase your loyal customers and also want to get involved in your services for a longer time, then you need to work more on the spirit of harmony, and also you need to work the quality and your quantity of services. So that was all about QQS formula. I think you need to assess yourself at this rating, that is the QQS rating, and should try to improve it if you want to increase your services sales and be in a perfect salesmanship. So that was all about QQS formula, which I have told you from the book Think and Grow Rich. And if you want to have more ideas from this book or other such books, then you can click on the subscribe button below to subscribe my channel, and also you can click on the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I will upload my next video. Also, you can share it with your friends and relatives so that they can also be benefited from it. So meet you soon guys in my next video. Till then, take care and stay happy. Bye bye.